Hi guys, in this video I am gonna to teach you how to make warm chicken salad. So let's get started. First of all I will show the ingredients list. The ingredients are 2 small chicken breasts, boned, skinned and cut in half. Calorie-controlled cooking oil spray. 1 large orange or red pepper, deseeded and cut into chunks. 1 little gem lettuce, leaves separated. 50 grams, 1 3/4 ounces watercress, tough stalks removed. 2 ripe medium tomatoes, cut into small chunks. 1/3 cucumber, sliced. 1 teaspoon thick balsamic vinegar. 1/2 small lemon, juice only. Sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Now the method is: Step 1. Season the chicken pieces on both sides with salt and pepper. Spray a large non-stick frying pan with oil and place over a high heat. Cook the chicken pieces for 3 minutes on each side or until lightly browned and cooked through. Transfer to a plate. Step 2. Spray the pan with a little more oil and cook the pepper for 3 minutes on each side or until lightly charred and beginning to soften. Step 3. Arrange the lettuce leaves, watercress, tomatoes, cucumber and pepper on 2 plates. Step 4. Slice the chicken breasts and scatter on top of salad. Drizzle with the balsamic vinegar and squeeze the lemon juice over. Season with black pepper and serve. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.